Welcome, my name's Cyril. From the Philippines to Cali, it's been surreal. I'm growing dreams, yeah, leaf by leaf, with monsoon and illusion.